From the game previews, find a game that looks enjoyable to you. Over the course of the treatment, you will do around 60 sessions and have plenty of time to find out which games work best for you. The game that works best for you will likely be one that allows you to progress through the game and have a relaxed state of mind. It is recommended to stay with one game for the first few weeks. 5 to 6 sessions a week during a 12-week treatment is optimal for neurofeedback training. Keep your eyes open and try not to look away from the screen as the game progresses. Neurofeedback works through visual and audio reinforcement, so it is important that you train with your eyes open. By maintaining a calm state of mind, a relaxed body and regular breathing, you give your brain the best chance to learn. Do not try to actively make the game progress, as this is not how neurofeedback works. The brain training process is unconscious. You will not be aware of your brain activity until you are looking at the screen and see the game progressing.